What's up, guys? So I said I probably wasn't gonna post any videos on doing the buffing on this car, but I figure I might post at least a few time lapse of like the progress on it. Basically what I'm doing is first taking a like a Scotch-Brite and rubbing the car down, kind of level out the paint a little bit, and then I am just going over it with a really heavy coat of rubbing compound. I'm using McGuire's. It's pretty much all I've ever used. I really like the smell of it. But anyways, I'm going over with that, and then kind of doing a little hand buff with it, getting what I can kind of broke loose, and then I'm going over it with the buffer one time, and then wiping that down with a clean microfiber towel, then going back again with the buffer, and it's making pretty good progress. Pretty happy with it so far. So especially for how especially for how rusted the car is, so pretty happy.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
my phone died there for a minute, so had to put it on the charger, so didn't quite get the entire side of the car, but I did get this side done. Still gotta put the emblem there on the back. This side doesn't look as good considering it don't have the light shining on it that the other side does, but let's see, it's definitely shiny all around. I didn't do the top because, like I said, you get that painted. I think it does look good though. Pretty happy with it. Alright guys, well, I got the car done. In my eyes, it's done. So anyways, like I said, not the world's greatest at buffing, because I mean, she looks a lot better than it did, but I don't really know the proper techniques of doing it. So anyways, just wanted to, you know, do this little time lapse to, you know, actually see what's going into the work of cleaning it up. But anyways, that'll be it for this episode of day 4. And remember to actually, this is it is day 4. So anyways, remember to like or subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching, and